Hello students, in this video we are going to study chapter 13 of science, changes physical and chemical. But here we are going to deal with only physical change. So before starting physical change, I would like to ask you few questions and you have to answer me. So first, where does your teachers write in classroom? Yes, on blackboard. So which material they use to write on blackboard? Yes, chalk. So sometimes you may have observed that chalk suddenly falls on the floor. So what will happen to chalk? The chalk will break up into a pieces. Exactly, the chalk will break into the pieces. So what type of changes are taking place there? Can anyone answer? This is because of the physical change, and these are physical changes. So today we will study about the physical change in details. Here are some images given to you. Observe them carefully and answer me which is the natural change and which is man-made change. So first picture shows about change of season. So tell me, it is a natural change or man-made change? Yes, exactly. It is a natural change. Now second, there is a ripening of banana or ripening of any fruits. So it is a natural change or it is a man-made change? Yes, this too is a natural change. Now third picture shows about the tides. So it is a man-made change or natural change? Yes, exactly. It is also a natural change. Fourth picture shows about the construction. So construction is a man-made change or it is a natural change? Yes, it is a man-made changes. Now, fifth picture shows about the cutting of trees. So it is a man-made change or it is a natural change? Yes, it is a man-made change. Now last picture shows making of jams from fruits. So it is a man-made change or natural change? Yes, exactly, it is a man-made change. So after performing previous activity, can anyone define what is natural change and what is man-made change? Yes, exactly. A change that occurs on its own. A changes which occurs naturally without any role of the human being. That is natural change. So what is the example of natural change? Changes of seasons, ripening of fruits, sea tides. So all these are examples of the natural change. A change that occurs on its own naturally without interference of the human beings are known as a natural change. There is no role of human in this change. Second, man-made change. Yes, those changes that are created by humans. The changes which made by the human beings and it does not occur naturally. Such changes are man-made change, like converting fruits into its jams, construction work, cutting of trees for further use. All these changes comes into a man-made change. Now, again observe the two images which are given to you and classify them as a useful or it is a harmful changes. So first picture which shows a burning of fossil fuels. So tell me, it is a useful change or it is a harmful change? Yes, exactly, it is a harmful change. Can you explain me? Yes, because burning of the fossil fuels pollutes our air. It causes pollution, so it is a harmful changes. And second picture which shows about the cooking of food. So tell me, it is a useful or a harmful? Yes, exactly, it is a very useful change. So after performing previous activity, now it's very easy to define what are useful changes and what are harmful changes. So anybody can define? Yes, useful changes, the changes that are useful to us, that is useful changes like cooking of food. It is a very useful changes. Second, that is a harmful changes. So the changes that are not useful to us and also they are very harmful to us. Such type of changes are harmful changes. Example, burning of fossil fuels. As burning of fossil fuel causes air pollution and which leads to the various human respiratory diseases. So they are harmful to us. So I hope you understood about the useful changes and harmful changes. Now activity 3. Fast or a slow change. So here also you are provided with 3 pictures. You have to observe them very carefully and on the basis of your knowledge you have to differentiate them or classify them as a fast change or slow change. So first picture shows about burning of a paper. So tell me, burning of paper is a fast change or it is a slow change? Yes, exactly, it is a fast change. Now second picture shows bursting of balloon. So it is slow change or it is a fast change? Yes, exactly, it is also a fast change. Now third picture shows about the growth of the child. So growth of a child is a slow change or it is a fast change? Exactly, it is a slow change. So by performing previous activity of fast or slow change, can you now define what are fast changes and what are slow changes? So fast changes that takes place in a very short period of time are called fast change. Okay, the changes which take very less time to occur and such changes are fast change. Now second, slow change. So changes that takes place over a very long period of time, that is slow change, which takes more time to happen. Such changes are slow change. So now are you cleared with fast change and slow change? Very good. Now next change, reversible change. So the changes which can be reversed or it can be undone. Such changes are reversible changes. So for example, here it is ice. Ice on melting, it will give you water. And water on freezing, it will give you ice. So here reverse process has been observed. So ice to water and water to ice, this change is a reversible change. Now second example, that is stretching of spring, or you may also consider similar to this example as a stretching of rubber band. So both are examples of reversible change. Now the next change is irreversible change. So from the name itself we can understand that irreversible change are the changes that cannot be reversed or the change which cannot be undone. So such changes are irreversible change. For example, burning of wood. So once the wood is burnt, we get ash, but we cannot get again wood from that ash. So burning of the wood is irreversible change. Second, from dough to bread, or same you can consider from dough to roti, we cannot get again that same dough from that baked roti. Now third example, that is the rusting of iron. Once the iron is rust, we cannot get the same iron as it was earlier. So all these changes comes in the category of irreversible change. So I hope you understood about what are reversible change and what are irreversible change. Now we are going to study or start with the topic physical change. So before learning the definition of physical change, first we will perform some activities so that you will get a deep idea or deep knowledge about what is physical change. So here first activity. So in first activity you have to take one paper of any color of any choice. Then you have to cut into 4 parts and observe carefully. So what is the change in the size of the paper? Yes, exactly. The size of the paper has become small. Now activity 2. So in this activity, it is a very simple activity. You have to take chalk and make it into its powder. So, and what is the change you observe here? Yes, exactly. The shape of the chalk has been changed. Now, activity 3. So, this is very simple activity. You just have to light a candle. And you have to observe that candle very carefully. So, here what happens? That solid wax is converted into the liquid wax. So, here the state of the wax has been changed. From solid it is converted into a liquid, and after liquid again it's get converted into a solid. Now activity 4. So in this activity you have to take one white paper and color it with your favorite color. So what will you observe over here? Yes, the color of the paper has been changed. So from all the above activities, we can define physical change as the changes in which size, shape, color and state of any material is changed, and such change is called physical change. So in physical change, no new substance get formed. So here steam, when steam is cooled, it will get converted into water, and when water is cooled, when water freeze, it will get converted into ice. When ice melt, it will again get converted into the water, and when we boil water, it will again convert into the steam. And this, all the changes are physical changes. So I hope you understood about the physical changes in details. In next video, we will study about the chemical changes. Thanks for watching my video.